On the evening of Saturday, October 25, 2025, a windstorm swept through parts of West Seattle, Washington, causing multiple trees to fall and triggering power outages in the area. According to local reporting, at approximately 7:35 p.m., a tree fell onto a power line at 45th SW and SW Hemlock, just east of Lincoln Park. This resulted in an outage affecting about 117 homes. Over the subsequent hours, numerous additional incidents were reported, including fallen trees in neighborhoods such as High Point, North Delridge, and on streets like 26th SW and SW Juneau, 30th SW and SW Kenyon, and numerous other locations.